Hi, I'm Ralph from Ralph Knows Food, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing a review video on this product called the SEASONPRO. This is the product here. The company has sent me products to review a couple of times before. Apparently they like my videos. I'll tell you this right now, I love their products. Let's get into this one and see what we've got. Okay, this is the SEASONPRO setup. It comes with the main unit, which by the way is rechargeable right there. This is where all the attachments attach to. It's got two control buttons, one for low, one for high. The low is just kind of a pulse and the high is constant. Two small containers. I'm going to be using mine for salt and pepper to be grinding those, but here's how you fill them up. And down below you'll notice there's a little scale in here that says coarse to fine, so you can use this lever to adjust how coarse or fine you want your product to be coming out. Different products are going to require different things. When I'm doing meat, I may want the salt to come out a little bit coarser. When I'm doing like the topping on French fries, I may want that to come out a little bit finer. This big boy here, the large, that is going to be for things like coffee. And again, you still have the coarse to fine, because depending on how you make your coffee, you might want to be making yours a little bit coarser, a little bit finer, because you might be doing it in a regular drip coffee pot the way I do, or you might be doing it in a French press. It's all going to depend on how you make your coffee. With that said, let's try that out on several breakfast items that I'm about to make. Let's see how it goes. Okay, to start out with, I'm going to make an omelet. This is one of their previous products, and I use it virtually every day, sometimes twice a day. It comes with three different attachments. The one I use most often is the whisk attachment, which is what I'm going to be using for scrambling these eggs. The reason I like it is it puts a lot of extra air in there and makes them extra fluffy. So I know that they make great rechargeable products. We'll take that, and let's say the pepper over to the cooktop. Let's put a little bit of extra pepper in there. All right, I'm also making biscuits and gravy. So I've got the gravy on. Let's add a little bit of the pepper to the gravy mixture. Get that blended in. Oh, that's looking terrific. Cover that up, be back in a minute. Now, I'm also going to be making a breakfast steak. So let's get that seasoned up. We'll start out with the salt, and I'm going to want that salt to be a little bit coarser. So I'm going to come out there. Flip that over to the other side. Add a little pepper. We're ready to go. Okay, gonna try to get some coffee ready, because what's breakfast without coffee? Obviously on that, you're gonna want to be using that high speed. I think I'm gonna make that a little bit coarser, which will also speed things up. Obviously, I've never used this before. That's much better. Now, is this going to be as fast as something that is dedicated just to grinding up your coffee grounds? Probably not. Is it doing a good job? I think it is. And in a moment, I'll show you what kind of job it did. Here are the coffee grounds. I did them a little bit more coarse. Now, would I be inclined to use the coffee grinder portion on a daily basis? Probably not. It's not going to replace my regular coffee grinder or pre-ground coffee. But if I wanted to add some specialty coffee just to kind of jazz up the flavor of my normal coffee, and I wanted to add to my regular, say, pre-ground coffee, yeah, this would be ideal. A little bit of cheese. Let that melt. Let's see, we'll add a few hash browns. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and here we have the ultimate breakfast with the help of SEASONPRO.